Good morning students, welcome to another art session. Today we are going to do something different. I thought that maybe Father's Day is coming, so why not we make few greeting cards. So I will be giving you demo of 2 cards. You can use these designs. I know you are very talented and creative. You can do your own cards. I have seen your cards and they are always very brilliant. But maybe I can also pitch in few ideas of my own and you can use them in your own ideas. So I have these sheets, pastel sheets with me, very colorful. And I have chosen this color for my card. Okay, this will be the background, main card, and on top of that I will be designing with this color. So last week I made one card and it was of same color combination. I'll show it to you. So this paper was the left out of that. So this was a birthday card, okay, that I made, and you can see that it is nothing very complicated, okay, very brilliant design and I like it. So we are going to make something different. Now I will like to give you one tip. Whenever you do craft work and whatever left out paper you get, please save it. I also do the same. So I will be using this paper and I have these cutouts, and what I did was this. I made my stencils out of my waste paper. Okay, so I have already gotten my the flower petals. I had the samples of them. So I will be using this stencil to draw here, and then we will be cutting. So I will start drawing my petals of the keep this. See, I have already outlined it. I have darkened it a bit. This will be in my leaf. Now I will be drawing 6 more out of it. Then I'll start cutting it. Okay. Now as you can see, I have drawn all 6 petals. Now I will be cutting them. Okay. And you can see how closely I have drawn them, traced them on my paper, because I don't want my paper to get wasted. So I can make as many things as I like very tightly. That way I can use maximum out of this. Okay. As you can see, I have already cut out these pieces of my petals. Now I have 2 different types of petals. One is this bit rounded and the other one is bit pointed. See? And it is smaller also. This one is rounded and this one is pointed. So now I have my petals for 2 of my flowers. We will be assembling it now. Before assembling, I want to make the leaves also, so that we have everything together. And once we have leaves, our stems, everything, then we are going to assemble it. Okay. First, I want to show you how I make my stencils. Okay, for leaves, I have this rough paper with me. I will, because I don't want very big leaves, so that's why I have folded it this way. Just I need only small leaves. What I'll do is I'll draw on this the leaves that I want. This is my one leaf. I hope it is visible in my camera. And then I will get another kind of leaf. It is also similar to this. This is a simple one. I will improvise the shape. Yes. Okay. I'll cut it now. I'll show it to you. So my one leaf is done. You can see it came out so nicely. I had to fold it into half so that when we open up, you know, we get both. And I have my full leaf. Now I want the other one. Let's cut this one also. This one is bit tricky. If you cannot make it, then that's fine. I know the shape is bit difficult. So my leaf is done. You can see I have two different leaves. Okay. Anyone you want for your designs. Okay. But this is how you make stencil. Always fold your paper into half before drawing one side, so that when you cut it now, the same side you get it on the other end also. Okay. Now I have my stencils for the leaves also. I will be tracing them on the paper and cutting. I need two kinds of leaves, smaller and bigger, and I will be taking one of this type and the other one of this type. Okay, so I'll get back once it is done. So I have cut out my leaves as well as strips like these. I need 4. I will tell you what I'll do with this, because I need a border. I don't usually do the whole border, simply at the end, you know, starting from this side to this and then this to this, not the whole thing. I like it this way. So let's see how we place them. Wait. As you can see, for me this strip is a bit long, so I will be cutting it. I want it to be like this. I want from here to here. Okay. So I will be cutting it from here. Now when I'm going to cut it, I'm going to make it. I'm not cutting it straight, but I have slanted it. Same way from here also. See? Now I'm going to paste it. See, I have already pasted this. Now I have another strip. Again, I'm going to cut it and shorten it. Okay? And then I'm going to paste it above this line. And what I want is that this line to be, it will be like this. So I will cut it just, what do you call, edge to. So yeah, edge to edge. Like if this ends here, तो मेरी जो next strip है उसका pointed जो end है वो थोड़ा इसके नीचे यहाँ पे आएगा. So जब आप उसको लाइन में देखोगे तो वो एक ऐसी लाइन में जाएगा सीधा मेरा डिजाइन का. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इतना अगर डिटेल में नहीं जाना चाहते, that's also fine. सीधा you know squares में उसको कट करो, that's also fine. But I like it this way, तो मैं इसको ऐसे करूँगी और यहाँ पे भी मेरा ये छोटा जाएगा. इस स्ट्रिप से ये स्ट्रिप मेरी बहुत छोटी होएगी. ठीक है. सेम वे यहाँ पे मैं इस चीज़ को रिपीट करूँगी. एक बड़ी स्ट्रिप साइड पे आएगी और फिर एक छोटी स्ट्रिप आएगी. ये I will, you know, this will be my border for my greeting card. So now I have already pasted these. So I have made these kind of leaves because I thought maybe I could, you know, use them, and I will be. So I will be pasting them around like this. I'm just arranging them right now. So my one flower is going to be here. So let's start, you know, assembling our flowers, because once we do that, only then I'm going to paste them. Okay. These are the petals of my first flower. Okay. Now before you assemble them, what you need to do is do it like this, so that this we get a curvy petal like this. Okay. It will give you a 3D effect when like this. So I'm going to do this with every petal. you can see, all my petals are rolled. Now I'm going to assemble them. I'm going to put glue. While you're putting glue, make sure that you don't put too much of it, just a little bit. So I have this circle. I'm going to put it like this. Sometimes, you know, when we are making flowers, these petals can become flat. So after you completely make your flower na, and after that also you can, you know, give them a twist using your pencil. तो वो वापस शेप में आ जाएगा. उसका हमें ज़्यादा फिक्र नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि अगर ये जैसे मेरा सीधा हो गया तो इसको लास्ट में जब मेरा पूरा फ्लावर बन गया मैं दोबारा से कर पाऊंगा. ठीक है, इसकी हमें ज़्यादा फिक्र नहीं करनी है. अगेन बहुत हल्की सी ग्लू लगाऊंगी मैं. इन दोनों को जोड़ के लगाना है, ज़्यादा स्पेस ना हो. फ्लावर्स बनाने ये वाले बहुत सिंपल है एंड ये बहुत सुंदर बनते हैं. एंड रिजल्ट आपका बहुत अच्छा आता है. राउंड सर्कल्स भी थोड़े काट के रखने पड़ेंगे जो कि हम सेंटर में लगाएंगे. ये मेरा लास्ट वन जो है ये मैंने मेरा वन फ्लावर इज डन. सिमिलरली मैं दूसरा फ्लावर भी बनाऊंगी. ये मेरी पेटल थोड़ी कलर लग गई है. चलो सो मेरी ये जो है ये गलती से थोड़ा ऊपर पेटल लग गया, बट कोई बात नहीं. जब हम ऊपर सर्कल लगाएंगे तो वो इस चीज को हाइड कर देगा. अदरवाइज हमारा फ्लावर एज यू कैन सी बहुत अच्छा बना है. एक फ्लावर हम और बनाएंगे, वो थोड़ा बड़ा फ्लावर होएगा बिकॉज हमारे वो पेटल्स बहुत बड़े हैं. मैंने बड़े रखे थे, तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग साइजेस रखें पेटल्स का. ठीक है, अब मैं ये बनाती हूँ, देन आई विल गेट बैक टू यू. सो सेम वे आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस लीव्स आल्सो. एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू पेस्ट द लीव्स, now remember, when you are curving this using the pencil, we want very light curves, not the hard curves like in the petals. ठीक है, very light curves. So simply I did this and थोड़ा curvy हो गया है. अब यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत हल्की से फेविकॉल लगाने, ज़्यादा नहीं. फेविकॉल का ओवरडू मत करना प्लीज, बिकॉज वो सारी जब बाहर निकलती है देन वो बहुत बुरा लुक देता है क्योंकि उतना एरिया शाइन करने लग जाता है. अब इस तरीके से मैं इसको वो करूंगी. अब मैं एक बार सारा पेस्ट करके फिर आपको इसका कंप्लीट लुक दिखाती हूँ. So as you can see, I have already pasted them. Now just make sure when you are pasting the flower, just put the favicol at the center of this, and then keep on pressing for few seconds until it holds the paper. Okay, because we are not going to paste it around the petals, only in the center. We want these petals to remain standing like this. If you paste them, then that becomes a issue for us. Okay, it's a freestanding petals, and you can see I have pasted these leaves also like this. See, it came out so nicely, right? And if you want to write happy birthday or anything else, you can write here. We have plenty of space. You can write that here. Okay, now I will show you another design that I have made. The second card I have chosen gray, and this very light red color. Okay, so now this is going to be my base, and the designing I am going to do with this color. Okay, so first step is going to be, I am going to cut it like this, and then we are going to paste it on the top of the grey paper. Okay, so for this design I have cut out this piece from my red sheet. I will be pasting it this side, but for in this design I'm going to make another kind of flower, which I would like to show you first. Now I'll tell you how I make my sample. This is my origami sheet. It's a square. I will fold it like this. Okay, once it is done, I'm going to fold it again very carefully. These are my folds. I'm going to make this. I'm not going to cut it. This is just for my reference, that you know where I want to begin the drawing. Now I'll start from here, and I'm going to go up till here because I want a very small flower, not a big one. So this is my flower, one petal. So when I'm going to cut it, it will, you know, since I have folded it so many times, it is automatically going to become a full flower. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it along this line. You have to cut it very carefully. I used origami sheets because it is very thin and it is easy to fold it multiple times and then to cut it. Now I have my stencil ready. I'm going to place it on my sheet and I'm going to cut the out of my pastel sheet. So my flower is going to look like this. Okay, this is a different kind of flower and very easy. Okay, so now this is what we have. I have these two flowers which I'm going to paste like this, one on the other. Okay, and then I have these two colored leaves which now I'm not going to paste it singularly. No, I will make a bunch and then paste it. And now this thing that I had, this cutout, I have already pasted it. Now I had this stamp, punching machine, sorry. So I used this punching machine and I had cut these leaves out and I have already pasted them. Okay, so now let's start with the flowers and then we'll move on to the leaves. So I'll paste. Now in this also you can notice these curves. Similar, I've used a pencil to do that. Okay, very light curves. Now before pasting I am going to put Fevicol in the center. Okay, I have my Fevicol is here now. This is where I want my flower to be. Okay, I'm going to hold it for a minute to let it get pasted. One portion of my flower is already pasted. Now moving on to the other. Very little Fevicol and I'm going to paste it here. Now this I have to paste it in the center of my other flower. Yeah, right here. Again, I'll hold it for a second or two. So I'm done with the pasting. Okay, now my card is done. Now whatever you have to write, whether it's wishing or anything, you can write in this corner. This corner I have left for that purpose only. I'm going to write happy birthday here or happy new year, whatever you want. This portion is for that. Okay, now today I have showed you two designs. One is this one, the other one is this one. I hope you are going to like this design and you are going to practice this. Let's meet next week with a new video.